Waivers in Pennsylvania are through the Department of Human Services, and they're administered through medical assistance, Medicaid. Each waiver has its own unique set of eligibility requirements and services, and we're going to talk about the ones that would work with the autism community. First, let's look at some of the history of Medicaid waivers. Back in July of 1965, President Johnson signed the public law that established Medicare waiver for elderly and for the poor. August 2nd of 1965, Medicaid became a federal-state partnership. July of 1967, early and periodic screening, diagnosis, and treatment started. January of 1971, states are given the option to use Medicaid to pay for services in intermediate care facilities. Waivers are funded roughly by 50% federal and 50% state funding under an agreement that lasts for a period of 5 years. The number of people that can be served in any particular waiver agreement is a figure set under agreement between the federal and state governments. The role of PUNs in accessing waivers, when you apply and you are in the necessary systems and have met the requirements, the state takes information, and there are 3 different levels: emergency, critical, and planning. Everyone comes in as planning. Emergency is more specific. The consolidated waiver is probably the Cadillac, if you will, of waivers. It is highly supported with services and funding. The Person-Family Direct Support Waiver, or the PFDs waiver, is eligibility similar to the consolidated waiver, but does not include respite. Well, it does include respite, but not overnight care, and it does have a cap. The adult autism waiver is for ages over 21, meet intermediate care, facility level of care, income of 300% or at 300% or below the SSI federal benefit rate.